Welcome back to our Sustainability Spotlight series, where we explore ways to nurture both our well-being and the planet we call home. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to the heart of a sustainable lifestyle: eco-friendly cleaning products and do-it-yourself natural cleaners. Imagine transforming your home into a healthier, greener space by making your own homemade cleaning solutions. Not only can you reduce your exposure to harsh chemicals, but you'll also minimize your environmental footprint, one bottle at a time. We'll share step-by-step guides for creating non-toxic household cleaners using simple, natural ingredients you might already have in your pantry. From an all-purpose cleaner to a natural disinfectant, these recipes are as effective as they are kind to the earth. Plus, we'll sprinkle in a few practical green cleaning tips along the way to make your cleaning routine even more sustainable. Whether you're a seasoned eco-warrior or just beginning to explore sustainable cleaning methods, this video is your guide to creating a healthier home while protecting the planet. So grab your notebook, or better yet, your spray bottle, and let's get started. Before we dive into the recipes, let's take a moment to explore what makes a cleaner genuinely eco-friendly. The term may sound trendy, but it's rooted in simple, impactful principles: being kind to your health, your home, and the planet. Traditional cleaning products often contain harsh chemicals that can irritate the skin, trigger allergies, or release harmful fumes. Over time, these substances can pollute indoor air and even seep into waterways, disrupting ecosystems. That's why switching to chemical-free cleaning and natural home cleaning solutions isn't just better for you, it's better for our world. Natural, biodegradable ingredients are at the heart of sustainable cleaning methods. Think about it: white vinegar, baking soda, lemon juice, and even a little Castile soap can tackle grime and germs without leaving a toxic trace. And here's the best part: these ingredients are budget-friendly and incredibly versatile. By creating your own DIY eco-friendly cleaning recipes, you gain control over what goes into your products, ensuring they're safe for your family, pets, and the planet. Plus, knowing that a little effort can make such a big impact is surprisingly empowering. So, whether it's your first time making homemade non-toxic cleaners or you're looking to expand your repertoire, remember, every small step matters. When you choose eco-friendly cleaning products, you're helping create a safer, healthier home and contributing to a cleaner, greener planet for future generations. Now that we know why eco-friendly cleaning products are a smart choice, let's get to know the stars of the show, the essential ingredients for your DIY natural cleaners. These humble heroes are powerful and safe for your home and the environment. First up, we have white vinegar. This pantry staple is a natural powerhouse, perfect for cutting through grease, dissolving mineral deposits, and even neutralizing odors. It's a must-have for any homemade cleaning solution. Next, we've got baking soda. This versatile ingredient scrubs away grime and absorbs unwanted odors, leaving your home fresh and clean. Then there's lemon juice, nature's very own bright and zesty disinfectant. It's perfect for tackling stains and leaving surfaces sparkling with a refreshing scent. And let's not forget Castile soap, a plant-based soap that's as gentle as it is effective. Whether you're cleaning floors, countertops, or even delicate surfaces, it's a versatile companion in your sustainable cleaning methods. Finally, we have essential oils. These add a delightful fragrance to your cleaners and come with natural antimicrobial properties. Popular options like tea tree, lavender, or citrus oils elevate your DIY eco-friendly cleaning recipes with a touch of aromatherapy. These ingredients are the building blocks of homemade, non-toxic cleaners. They're safe, effective, and easy to find at your local store or in your pantry. With just a few simple combinations, you'll have everything you need to make your home shine naturally. Now it's time to roll up our sleeves and get creative with some simple and effective DIY natural cleaners. These recipes are easy to make, safe for your family, and great for the planet. Plus, they're made with the essential ingredients we just explored. Let's start with an all-purpose cleaner, a go-to solution for everyday messes. Here's what you'll need: 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 cup of water, 10 to 15 drops of your favorite essential oil, like lemon or tea tree, for a refreshing, natural scent. Combine the ingredients in a spray bottle. Shake well, and you're ready to tackle countertops, tables, and even bathroom surfaces. It's a simple yet powerful solution for chemical-free cleaning. For streak-free windows and mirrors, this homemade cleaning solution does the trick. 1 cup of water, 1 cup of rubbing alcohol, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Mix these ingredients in a spray bottle, and you'll have a streak-free cleaner that's effective and sustainable. Looking for a natural disinfectant? Here's a recipe that's safe yet effective. 1 cup of water, 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide, and 20 drops of tea tree oil. This cleaner is perfect for high-touch areas like door handles, light switches, and bathroom fixtures. Plus, it smells amazing. Freshen up your carpets with this natural carpet deodorizer. 1 cup of baking soda and 20 drops of your favorite essential oil. Simply mix the ingredients, sprinkle over the carpet, let it sit for 15 minutes, and vacuum. It's an easy way to neutralize odors without harsh chemicals. And finally, for a natural shine on wood surfaces, try this furniture polish. 1 cup of olive oil and a ½ cup of lemon juice. Mix the ingredients, apply with a cloth, and watch your furniture glow. It's safe, effective, and smells divine. These recipes prove that homemade non-toxic cleaners can be just as effective as store-bought products without the environmental or health risks. Plus, they're a joy to make and use. Which recipe will you try first? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear about your experiences. Now that you've got your DIY natural cleaners ready to go, let's talk about how to use them effectively. Cleaning with intention makes the process more enjoyable and ensures you're getting the most out of your eco-friendly cleaning products. First things first, always label your homemade cleaners. It may seem like a small step, but it's essential for keeping track of what's inside each bottle. Use reusable labels to stay organized while minimizing waste. Next, remember to conduct a spot test before using any homemade cleaning solution on a new surface. Even though these recipes are gentle, it's always a good idea to check for compatibility. Another tip, embrace reusable cleaning tools. Microfiber cloths, natural sponges, and washable mop heads are perfect companions for your sustainable cleaning methods. Not only are they eco-friendly, but they're also cost-effective in the long run. Timing can also make a big difference. Allow your cleaners a few moments to sit on surfaces before wiping them away. This gives the natural ingredients time to work their magic. For example, let your natural disinfectant rest for at least 10 minutes for optimal results. And here's a fun tip. Add a touch of aromatherapy to your cleaning routine by using essential oils like lavender or eucalyptus. They enhance your cleaner's scent and create a calming atmosphere as you tidy up. Finally, make cleaning a part of your sustainable lifestyle. Keep a cleaning schedule that balances efficiency with mindfulness. By using chemical-free cleaning solutions and DIY eco-friendly cleaning recipes, you're not just maintaining a tidy home, you're nurturing a healthier planet. With these simple yet effective tips, you'll turn every cleaning session into an act of care for yourself, your loved ones, and the earth. Cleaning doesn't have to feel like a chore when it aligns with your values and goals. Congratulations! You've just taken a big step toward creating a healthier, greener home. By choosing eco-friendly cleaning products and embracing DIY natural cleaners, you're not just tidying up, you're making a meaningful impact on your health and the planet. Remember, every small change adds up. From using homemade non-toxic cleaners to incorporating green cleaning tips into your routine, your efforts ripple out, inspiring others to join the movement towards sustainability. And this is just the beginning. If today's video sparked your curiosity, we invite you to explore more sustainable living ideas in our Sustainability Spotlight playlist. From eco-friendly home tips to zero-waste lifestyle inspiration, you'll find a treasure trove of ideas to keep the momentum going. Thank you for spending time with us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with someone who might love these ideas too. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel to stay connected with more ways to live in harmony with the earth. Together, we can create a cleaner, greener future, one step at a time.